Today we are going to see the bridge course on HTML and topic is CSS selector. So in the previous lecture we saw how to link the CSS in HTML code. There are the three ways. First one is the inline, second one was a document level style sheet, and the third one is external style sheet. So today we are going to see the types of selectors. How many types of selectors we have and why we need this selector. So we have the 6 types of selectors: simple selector, class selector, generic selector, pseudo class selector, and universal selector, and ID selector. So every selector has a different role, and why we need this in our web page, that also you will going to understand when we see this selector. Okay, the first selector is simple selector. In this selector, each property or value pair has a form property value. Okay, this is a pair, and if you want more properties you must end with semicolon. Okay, every pair is separated by semicolon. Example, h1 s2 sorry h1 and s3, this two can give same property. Okay, and if you want more properties, semicolon. Already we did this in the practical in previous video. Just we will see the practical file, VS Studio Code. So this is my VS Studio Code. So here in my PPT, h1 h3 property value. So here h1 is something, so you can give here comma, you can give p also. This p I am deleting. Okay, if I delete this p, this also I need to delete. This p, yes, this p and h1 will have the same properties. Okay, so here whenever we have a h1 p, okay, so in the whole page it will be select by default. So I will file, save, go to file, then he go to Explorer, document, right click, reveal in the file explorer. We no need to find where did I save, just reveal the file explorer. It will directly take you here. Open it, see, this all have the same property. Clear? So previously how it was like this, but now the same property is applied here. Okay, so this is about the first one. What is the first one? Simple selector. And what is a selector here? Selector is h1, h3, and p is a selector. Based on the property we are giving the values. This is very simple. Okay, because of this is simple. Okay, class selector. Here used to allow different occurrence of the same tag to use different style sheet. So what is a disadvantage of simple? We are recovering in the class. How? Example, I will go here and I will write, I have two h1 here. Okay, and I will write two p's. P apply the style. So here I have two p's and two h1. If you did not understand, go to the previous video. In that video you can see this file. Just I am exploring and extending this file. Okay, so here I have h1p file, save, and go back to the browser and refresh. See, I got it. But whatever the thing I am applying to this paragraph, I don't want to apply same thing to this. Clear? Are you getting me? This p, can you see this p? Whatever it is in the p, I want this properties, but I don't want the same properties of here. I don't want here. So how to do that? That will be helpful for you with the help of class selector. Okay, so what we need to do, a style class has a name which is attached to the tag name. For example, p.narrow. Okay, so here p is there, so I will have one more p dot, I will give some name like narrow. Why I am taking narrow means the text should be small, and here I am writing font size, sorry, font size is small, x small. Okay, and for this p I am giving class, class, class is equals to narrow. Let's save the file. So here we need to give colon, class is equals to narrow, and this narrow we are writing in the p tag. Save the file and go back to browser and see here when I refresh, see it is small. Okay, it is taking the same properties, same color and all the things, but after that the narrow means inside that it is applying. So I will make it the size will be like double x, so I can make it x double x large. Save the file, refresh, little bit bigger. So whatever narrow means you can write the small here. Okay, you can use a small or large, is up to you, whatever you want to use. So here I have two p's, one p here, one p is here, but this p is a different, it is taking this one. Okay, and here I defined the class, so this p will be applied to this narrow. Okay, sometime this kind of things will happen in the web page. You need to define with the help of class. So this is about the class. I hope you understand this. This is like p dot narrow, p dot var, wide. So here you can make like is not compulsory that you need to do only p. You can use any tag here. Okay, you can use any tag here. So I am taking h1 tag again, h1 dot, I am taking like anything I can take red, bracket open, automatically it will close, color is equals to, color is red. Okay, I am giving color is red, finish. And here I can give to this h1 space class is equals to red. Why I am giving this red? Because here I given the class name is red. Save the file, Go back and refresh. See, this is document level style, and that is displaying in the red color. Okay, so if you are using the same tag also, h1 is a selector. Inside that we are selecting the class. Okay, I hope you understand this. When you do practice, then it will be easy for you to remember that. So you can use for that any tag, any tag. Next is generic selector. What is this generic selector? Generic selector can be defined if you want a style to apply to more than one kind of tags. Okay, a generic class must be named, and the name must begin with a period. For example, dot really big, dot really big. Use it in if it were a normal style class. Example, what is the difference between class selector and generic selector is, in class selector we are selecting the paragraph, we are selecting the tag, but here in the generic selector you can use the same property to any one of the tag. Example, I am writing here dot blue. Okay, color background color is blue, background color is blue. So this is, I am not selecting to anyone. Like here, can you see h1 dot red means it is a class selector, a particular h1 tag. Now I am writing here something tag table. Okay, table is tr and t th, that is name. Okay, and here one more row I will create here, that is tr, and here td, and name is Ahmed. So one row I created. Okay, and here I will save first, save the file, and I will show you the output. Refresh, see, only name and Ahmed. So here, in place of here, you can use class is equals to blue. What is this blue now? The background color of that will be changed. Let's see, file, save, go back here. Can you see here name and Ahmed? I will refresh. See, it is become a blue. Okay, so you can take here any color, whatever the color, it will be good. I will select aqua. Okay, and I will give the name here. Okay, file, save, go back here, refresh, aqua. Okay, so like this you can insert more tables also, th, roll number, and here you can give table definition is 1605 1605 1605. Okay, roll number, save, go back and do the refresh. See, so like this it will increase and it will take the same color. So it is not compulsory that, and this blue, in place of blue I will write aqua. Okay, and here also I will write aqua. So here class and aqua color I can use for this also. h1 class is equals to aqua. Okay, save. Go back here, see, refresh. Did you find any change? This also will become a changing color. So you can apply to any text or any tag more than one style. You can give the more than one style. So this is about the selector, third selector. What is our third selector? Is generic selector. Till now we finished simple selector, class selector and generic selector. I hope you understand this. Next, pseudo class. What is this pseudo class? Pseudo class is nothing but like specify that certain style apply when something happens rather than because the target element exists. So there are four pseudo classes. First one is link, second one is visited, third one is hover, and fourth one is focus. So what is the first one? The link pseudo class is used to style a link that has not been selected. Okay, in the website maybe you saw some of the links will become a blue. When you visit, the color will be changed. Visited is used to style a link that previously has been selected. The color will be changed of that link. Okay, and sometime when you place your mouse to the any element or any link, when mouse cursor is moved over an element, however class being with a clone means it will show you something like changing the color, or it is something will happen whenever you place your mouse on some element. Okay, so S2 hover property value, that means when you place your mouse on the H2 tag in the display, then it will do some operation. Okay, and the fourth one is focus, when associate element has focus. So these are the four pseudo classes are there. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay, link, visited, over and focus. Let's do the practical for this pseudocode. So here in the pseudocode example I am taking here h2 tag and I am writing here uh, applying the pseudocode pseudo style. Okay, okay, apply the pseudo style. So here in the style only, here you need to take h2 whatever I want to apply to h2 colon, and here I want to write link. First thing, sorry, no, okay, you can apply. No. For S2 I am applying hover, ver. Okay, S2 hover, whenever I place my cursor on the H2, the color should be changed to red. Okay, let's save the file. This is a simple code. I did not do any much thing, just I am doing H2 is hover, 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 or we will see this hour, H2 hour. So when I go save the file and I will open that file, the file is open. See here, when I place my mouse over here, can you see it's changed to red color? Can you see here? Change to red color. This is mouse over. So this is for applying to H2. Okay, whenever I place my mouse, it's changed to red color. So here in the same way, you can change any color or anything, or you can give here like a font style italic. Save. Okay, go back to this file and refresh. When I place my mouse over there, see, it's applying the style also. Like this you can apply, you can do the pseudo class. Okay, next one is like I will add the link here. How to add the link? With the help of Angular tag. href is equals to, here I am writing www.google.com and I am writing here Google. Just simple I am writing link. Okay, so here next is I am giving a colon link. Okay, you can give link, and here also I am giving color is red. Example. Save the file, go back to here and refresh. See, here Google is there in red color. It will not open, but it is in the red color. Okay, next one is a colon I am giving visited. Okay, color is blue. You can give color is blue. Go back here, refresh. Sorry, here focus. Focus. A focus is blue. So here when you refresh, see, the color is changing to blue. Just I click here. When I click, it's changing to blue color. Okay, like this. So this is for the focus, and visited also the same thing. Okay, so this is about the pseudo class. Okay, so next one is universal selector. Universal selector is denoted by an star. Its style apply to all element in a document. Okay, so this is about the star. The same thing what you are doing here. Okay, so in place of doing anything like in place of body, if I write star, then save the file, go back and refresh. See, it's applied to all. It's applied to all page. Okay, fine. The next one is, this is universal. Just you need to put the star before the properties and values. And the last one is ID selector. An ID selector allow the application of a style to one specific element. General form is specific ID property value. Here the simple example. Okay, So you can give any ID. So what it is doing here, just whatever the property we are giving in the style, just we are writing the name ID, just we are giving the ID name. Okay, so here I will go to next file, and here I am writing in the head tag. Okay, in the head tag I am writing some ID, hash select 14, select 1. Okay, sorry, select 1, and this should be right in the style tag. Okay, this should be in the style tag. Next, so here we need to write the section 1, bracket open and close. Inside this we need to write some code like color background color is red. Simple example. Save. And I am calling this body. In the body I am writing ID is equals to section 1. Same like this. ID is equals to section 1. You can do the double quote or without double quote. So here you need to go to here and select the normal file, reveal in file explorer. Where is the file? Here, normal file. Background color is red. Okay, so like this we can do some operation. In place of this, if I write blue, okay, save the file, go back here and refresh. Blue, aqua, Control S, refresh, aqua. So like this we will apply all 6 selectors. Okay, all 6 selector. So today's topic is about the types of selectors. We saw simple selector, class selector, generic selector, pseudo class selector, universal selector, and ID selector. And every selector has a different role and different way of using that. So you do practice, then only you will easily understand this concept. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class.